Well, good morning. My name is Kevin Hayes, and I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Alto Aviation. Last year at AEA in New Orleans, we introduced our Cadence switch system, and the response from the industry has been outstanding. As we continue to enhance our CSS, we have discovered new opportunities to create more efficient designs for ease of installation. Today's new product introduction is Alto's new inline relay controller. Many of the obsolete switch panels have internal control of loads directly at the switch connector. This small and compact unit converts an Alto discrete switch into local relay control. This results in a more efficient design and less wiring. As the product name suggests, the switch panel may be plugged directly inline to the controller via J1. The J2 connector has local relays to control loads connected at the former switch position. The goal is to preserve the existing wiring. If you want to use the controller as a standalone unit or discrete unit, you may connect multiple panels to the controller for simple load control. The controller is available in 3 configurations. If desired, the unit can be ordered with a single relay. This would be ideal for a flush switch or a simple read light. A dual relay configuration is available and works very well for read table configurations. And 3 relays are available and represent the maximum number of relays in this offering. One of the unique features of this controller is that the configuration is user selectable via dip switches located on the bottom of the unit. So based on the number of relays desired, you can define alternate action control for each function by moving the corresponding dip switch to off. This provides a traditional on-off toggle setting. If you prefer to have a momentary function, set the corresponding dip switch to on. This will provide momentary relay action as the button is pressed and release when the button is no longer pressed. If you have a function that is designed to control the load individually, set the corresponding dip switch to master. This allows the control of the relay internally. And if you require two-way action to another circuit, then select slave for the corresponding dip switch. This is useful for allowing a function to pass through the controller or to be used in a configuration such as a table function. One master circuit controls the load, and the other switch is set to slave mode. There are 3 pricing tiers for the 3 base models. This design is universal and allows for commonality of parts since the configuration is user selectable. The box is small and is easy to install. So the inline controller preserves existing wiring for ease of installation. It's scalable based on the number of functions you want to control, so you can decide if you want 1, 2, or 3 functions. It has internal relay control up to 2 amps. There's no operating software, so there's no boot time. And the unit is currently available with CSC with full qualification data, and FAA TSO is pending. Well, since our debut of the CSS last year, we have created many new styles of replacement switch panels. One of the most popular styles has been the Audio National SPS series. With the traditional built-in logic of the SPS, the inline controller is a great replacement solution as it preserves the existing switch wiring. So if you have a legacy AI system, please give us a call, we can help. We have also created Baker replacements. We are updating a Challenger now with Baker and have upgraded a Globe Express with rounded buttons as well. We have also created replacements for the obsolete PAC-SYS Airshow MicroNet series. So the Alto CSS provides 100% fit compatibility solutions, so there's little to no woodwork changes. So imagine the cost savings and reduced downtime. So come by and see us in booth 247. We look forward to seeing you and showing you how we can make your replacement system for your obsolete CMS. Thank you for your time and consideration.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 61st Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Las Vegas, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
It's called Airtext Plus. The mobile office is now a true, cost-effective win-win reality. because being available and part of the communication chain keeps you in control. Visit us at www.airtext.aero for more information and get started staying in touch today.
Avidyne is the pilot-centric innovator. If you look at Avidyne's 20-plus year history, we had the first moving map, full color, that had everything on it. We were the first ones to do a primary flight display for general aviation. Avidyne has lots of opportunities and things in the works that will continue the leadership role we played in the past of coming up with new concepts and always having the best user interface to them.